To get started with the MEXC exchange, first, you need to create an account. Go to the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information such as your email address, password, and other details. Verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Mexc. Once your account is created and verified, you can log in and start exploring the platform. The first step is to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done by downloading the Google Authenticator app and scanning the QR code provided by MEXC. Next, you need to deposit funds into your account. MEXC supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you can choose the one you prefer. Click on the Assets button and select the deposit option. Copy the deposit address and use it to transfer funds from your external wallet. After depositing funds, you can start trading. The trading interface is user-friendly and provides real-time market data. You can choose from various trading pairs and order types, including limit and market orders. To place an order, select the trading pair, enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and confirm the transaction. MEXC also offers a variety of other features, including a mobile app, API trading, and a referral program. The mobile app allows you to trade on the go, while the API trading feature is suitable for advanced traders who want to automate their trades. The referral program rewards you for inviting friends to join the platform. To ensure a safe and successful trading experience, it is essential to follow best practices. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Never share your account information with anyone. And be cautious of phishing scams additionally. Set realistic goals and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and tips, you can navigate the MEXC exchange with confidence and make the most out of its features and services. Remember to stay informed about market trends and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. With its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, MEXC is a great platform for both beginners and experienced traders.